Hello, friends. Let's learn A to Z with Giggle Tunes. A for apple, big red apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream.
Yay!
J for juice. K for kite. L for loan. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Wait for yak. Z for zebra. Great job! You learned A to Z with Giggle Tunes. Yay!